Attention Z1 Off-Road customers, this is a public service announcement for anyone who's purchased any of our high-lift hood struts. These are one of the best-selling products that we offer. However, this is one of the most frequently asked questions that we receive through our customer service chats. When you receive your hood struts, you're going to receive this card. It's going to explain how to access your digital install manual. Now, I know these are just hood struts, and most of us, like anyone, we're like, forget that, I can do it on myself. But these are a little different than the factory ones. You're gonna pull out this card, you're gonna open your camera app, you're gonna scan the QR code with your camera, follow the prompts on the screen, you're gonna log into your Z1 account. There you'll pull up all your products with all your installation guides, and then you finish your install. We printed it out, but this is the hard copy, right? But you'll have the digital copy, or if you wanna have access to a printer, you can print these out as well. This will show you step by step on how to do these things. First thing to do is we're gonna open the hood. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver and a little prop rod. We got Z1 Reptar in the shop here today, and as you can see, his hood struts, right? They don't list very good, but they're already failing, right? This truck is a 2022, and his hood struts are already struggling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just remove those. We're gonna pop off the OE retaining clips from the hood struts. There's one there, and there's one on the bottom. Okay. Top and bottom clip undone. On the passenger side, same steps. So now with the hood struts unclipped, you simply just pop them out of the factory location. So with our hood supported with the pole, we can pop off these old ones. So with the factory hood strut removed, you're gonna see your hood ball mount and then your fender ball mount. Okay? The anatomy of our hood strut is we're gonna have the canister side. This one here has a press-in fitting. Once you press this on here, it will not come off, okay? So be careful and put it where you want it to be. This side is gonna have a little retainer clip. What this does is it pops out of this groove and pulls itself down, okay? To reinstall, there's two holes. You stick it back in and then clip the retainer in. All right, so we have our cartridge side that is gonna connect to the hood itself. So this is just gonna be a press fitting, and it goes on like so. With the cartridge in on the hood, we'll simply pop this ball in on here. That should give us enough support to support the hood. While we're doing it, we're gonna drop this pin through the hole, okay? Work it in to both holes, and then it sets in there, okay? With it supported, let's grab the other one. Again, we have our cartridge in. Remember, once this goes on the hood ball, it will not come back off. So make sure once you're ready and you install it, it's installed. You're gonna rotate this clip out of the groove and drop the pin out, okay? This one presses until you hear a click. Pin goes straight down through the hole, locking this lower ball mount in place. So you're just gonna simply, with the ball mounted firmly on the lower mount, we're gonna drop the pin, click it in, and now your hood strut is completely mounted. All right, so that completes the install of our high-lift hood struts. Now, if your hood struts are getting a little worn or tired, or you just need a little more space underneath the hood of your truck, shop now at z1offroad.com. You'll get that QR code, get access to all the install guides that you have ever purchased in your collection on your vehicle. So shop now at z1offroad.com today.